Fancy. Are you being a big sissy? Why are you hiding in the potty? What are you doing? Come say hello. Come here, big girl. Come say hello to Uncle James. Are you pouting because James hasn't sung for you for a while? Oh, big girl. You're so pretty. You're incredibly strange, but very pretty. Come on. You sniffing at your leash? You want to go for a walk? What do you want, big girl? Come on. Come here, big sissy baby. Fine, you sit there and pout. My big girl. While you're in there, why don't you clean out the bathtub? Said no. Fine. I'm leaving, Fancy. Big girl. You're such a sissy. Come on. You're a big old strapping pitty. You shouldn't be so ticking. Come on, big girl. Come on. Are you really going to start now? Cars. Cars? Are you barking at that? Fancy, come on. Oh, Cars has his moment. Fancy, come on, Fancy girl, come on. Let your brother bark. Crash, are you ready to go to Tony's house? Yeah. Sus! Big boy. Oh. Your brother's very annoying. How's the lady supposed to watch YouTube when you're almost deaf? Whoever you are. Cars?